Good morning, everyone. Hi, I am Dr. Nikam Vijay Balkrishna, working as an assistant professor and vice principal in Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's SSGM College, Kopargaon, District Ahmednagar, State, Maharashtra. I am participant of Commerce Refresher second, organized from 16 August to 2021 to 19 August 2021, which is organized by UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. I am going to deliver my presentation on the topic of 10 biggest challenges business faced in 2020. So here I am going to start my presentation with a good quote. Your most unhappy customers are your largest source of learning. Bill Gates. Means if you want to learn something good about your business, if you want to improve in your business, the most unhappy customer is your biggest teacher in that. Here is the my way of presentation or the subtopics which I am going to cover in next 10 to 15 minutes. Number 1, international expansion problem. This is the first. Number 2, talent recruitment. Number 3, up keeping up to speed with the latest innovations. Number 4, the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 5, maintaining integrity. Number 6, resource management. Number 7, maintaining clients. Number 8, uncertainty. Number 9, risk management. Number 10, upholding the business reputation. So friends, moving ahead towards our first point. So this first point is telling about the international expansion problem. Here we are able to see that one picture is giving in this slide. Earth is We are able to see the earth in the background of these businessmen, and they are discussing something and they are trying to expand their business on whole earth, in whole world. So international expansion problem is having some problems they are facing in 2020. Ambitious entrepreneur, each and everyone entrepreneur is ambitious. Each and every entrepreneur is want to expand his business in the world. So that may be a problem because competition is increased and there is no limit. There is a contract between all the countries through VAT, and the business is open in 354 countries nowadays. Second is secured local footing. Secured local footing is not present in whole country. The businessman is not having security in local places to export their goods. They are not having that much security. If you compare with Bihar to Maharashtra, the local footing is not same in two states. This is one only example. After that, difficult to progress. If you want to make progress of your business, it is very much difficult. International customers, they are having very choosiness to choose their products. Their needs are different as compared to our customers, and we have to think about the choices of international customers. New horizons, global partners. So we have to choose global partners. We have to study the Partnership Act for the global partnership. So this is one biggest problem. After that, legal responsibilities. We have to study the legal problems which are coming on in international business. Our next slide, number second, talent recruitment. The second biggest challenge we are going to face in international business, that is talent recruitment. Talent recruitment is not possible because that persons are from IIM Ahmedabad and top management institution. They required more salary as compared to work in India. If your business is global, then you have to give a global package in dollars. So you have to search them, you have to find out that talented staff, talented human resource, and recruit that right talent. This is second challenge. In that top talent, we have to segregate top talent among the all talents, spending extra money to train them. If you are taking uh, under the top talent, then you have to spend more money to train them. If you are giving minimum package, then you have to train that local talent people. You have to make them global talent. Number 3, keeping up to speed with the latest innovations. Time is changing day by day. Innovations are happening on daily basis, and we are not able to cope up with the innovations and the fast moving time. So what we have to do? So we live in the age where innovation takes place daily. So we do innovations on daily basis. Frequent and ongoing innovations are happening. False efficiency we are showing to everyone that we are innovative, but we are not. In the truth, in the reality, we are not efficient, we are not innovative. Only we are showing innovativeness, but basically we don't have that kind of efficiency. So stop showing this false efficiency. Risk missing out on opportunities. So risk is missing out. This is the problem with this third challenge, keeping up to speed with the latest innovation. Our speed is less. Number 4, the COVID-19 pandemic, we all, everyone knows that the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted our whole world, our country and whole world. All the manufacturing sector, services sector, all sectors are collapsed, and the market arena and avenue, that is constantly changing. The market arena and the avenue is constantly changing. We have to cope up with that in our country and global business. Reducing the demand and supply of goods. So goods demand and supply is reduced. Third point is affected the market system. Our market system is affected very much. Number 5, maintaining integrity. So this is the fifth biggest challenge in global business, that maintaining integrity. What do you mean by integrity? Imandari. How much entrepreneurs are integrated with their ethics of business? So very less entrepreneurs are integrated with their business ethics. One time faced moral dilemma. If you have a good business, you have to follow so much uh, So many rules and regulations designed by the central government, state government, and international authority. If you are the international business owner, then one time in a life you have to face a dilemma whether to break your ethics to earn some money, or for the sake of your organization. So many times the organization is facing so many problems, and that problems will sunk down your company. At that time you have to stop thinking. In this picture you are able to observe this picture. One devil and one good person is in the mind of that businessman, and he is thinking to the devil, and he is not thinking what is good, what is bad, what is ethics, business ethics, principles of business. He is keeping set aside, but he is stopping the loss of his business. He is stopping to sh- shut down from his business from shutdown. Okay, so maintaining integrity, it is a very hard task in international business. After that, number 6, resource management. You are able to see in this picture there are so many resources like designing, setting, hardware, computer, software, and emails, time management, reporting, to search your analysis on the customer market, financial cost, pricing, sales value, so many new innovations, ideas. These are the resources and you have to manage them. Give a cash flow generation little attention. You have to manage your resource, and very much important thing is cash. You have to manage your cash flow with little attention. Number 2, always enough money in reserve to run the business. Your profit should be set aside in terms of savings to run your business effectively. Number 3, failure to hire experienced and innovative financial experts. So, in international business, biggest challenge in 2020 is failure to hire experienced and innovative financial experts. So, you have to recruit experienced and innovative financial experts in your company, that is CA and CS. Next, maintaining clients. So when you are going to maintain your clients, there is confusion or so many problems coming in India, and we are thinking about the global business practices. So in the global business practices, we are facing these challenges in maintaining clients. Number one, companies business world is the most competitive field. Product is cutting edge. Competitor, affordable prices for customer, great marketing strategies, reinvent your products and services timely. So these are the challenges in maintaining client. Number 8, the eighth challenge in global business, that the company is struggling greatly today. How I will expand my business? Number second, global debt. Global debt is also increasing day by day. So this uncertainty is always there. So many what we can say that so many uh, financial crisis is coming. In 2011 and 2009 there was a financial crisis for 3 years. So many people had lose their businesses on country level, on export level, on international level. Import export business was stopped. Marketing, making informed long term goals. You have to inform your long term goal to the industry, to your employee, to your customer base, your stakeholders. This is the uncertainty is coming. So you have to create some confidence in the mind of your stakeholders. Number 9, risk management. Risk management is having these kind of problems, and solution we have to find for that. Many obstacles in global business. Risk, if business is global, your risk is global, and on the global level there are huge number of risks are there as compared to local level business. Learn how to assess, identify and mitigate potential risks. You have to deep study in that. After that, robust problem solving skills are required for this global risk management. You have to take this kind of stuff for solving your problems globally. 10, last but not least, the challenge in global business. 10th challenge, biggest challenge, is upholding the business reputation. It is very hard to hold your business reputation when a consumer is unhappy with your services. You have to take more efforts. You have to give him big discounts. Number 2, displeasure with fellow netizens. Don't make displeasure with netizens. Don't go with negative attitude with netizens. Always you have to control your comments. You have to already you can grow your business through netizens, or you can sunk down your business with netizen. Also netizens also trying to up your business, and the netizens are also trying to contribute in downfall in your business. So important to say, stay active on media. You have to keep in touch with your client base, which are netizens, and they are active on social websites. Next point is important to stay active on social media. After that, transparency of your organization by interacting with your client positively. So interact with your client online with positively. You have to make transparency, and this kind of points are going to maintain reputation in your business. In picture you are able to see design, management, customer support, sales forecasting, product service quality, marketing campaign, identity, business identity analytics, and this is called brand management, or managing your brand reputation in the market. Last is the conclusion part, which I am going to share with you and stop this presentation. Times have changed significantly. The time have changed significantly, and the problems facing businesses are dynamic. It takes developing a special skill set to run business successfully in this ever changing world. So problem, time is changed, problem solving is also changed. After that, the business are dynamically changed. So thank you for giving me a chance to present myself To present myself, I am Dr. Nikam Vijay Balakrishna. Thank UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University at Ahmedabad for providing me an opportunity to join Commerce Refresher course second. Thank you very much, sir.